2015 Ford Transit Connect. Silver in color. This vehicle is all set up with a ramp in the back. So if someone needs wheelchair access, it's ready to go. Brand new tires on it. So there is some hail damage. We had a storm here in the summer before we took it in. So there is a little bit of hail damage on the hood here, as you can see, and then up on the roof as well. Overall, it's in okay condition. It's definitely been used, but still got a lot of life left in it, I think. It's gone through the shop here, so it's good to go.